I am feeling really good that yeah, like I was not expecting, I was actually, wow, I'm so lost right now. I'm so
Yeah,
tired.
which is I said Jia ko hai.
Okay, so I was very nervous first of all with my character. This was very new for me, with the language and everything. And also, this is the second season for me, where I am the new one here, and so I had to give justice to my character. And so I felt like there was some kind of responsibility on me, वरना मुझ पे आ जाएगा होता है ना कि flop हो गया तो ये इसके वजह से. So I was a bit scared about that. Well, I think our hard work paid off, and mine especially, and I am really happy about the response that I'm getting for my character as well as the show and everything. Yeah.
Yeah, so season one was quite a hit, and this was like most awaited show. I think season two, everybody was looking forward to watch season two. कब आएगा, कब आएगा, कब आएगा, वैसा. And like Jia said, like she has done actually justice to the character. When you see her on screen,
Thank
she has
you.
done a brilliant job. और मुझे तो उनका character बहुत अच्छा लगा. So ऐसा कभी हो ही नहीं सकता कि ये season flop जाता because of you something, and because you and you Anand Mishra ji, you Mish Rohan, you all have done a pretty good job.
So have
And about
you.
yeah, so season one, why especially I would like to mention is that season two, people wanted to watch it because they wanted to know the end of the character called Bhaskar, जिसके ऊपर पूरी story थी. And they expected कि season 2 में ये होना चाहिए, जबकि story line उस हिसाब से नहीं जाती है. And if you see after seventh episode, there's a huge leap in the character graph of Bhaskar and also of Vidhi, जो season 1 से काफी different है. Their very emotional journey of both the characters were completely different from season 1. So the response which we are getting is like ये क्या हो गया, ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए था, ये क्या. तो they were also actors who were a little disappointed. यार भास्कर को किसी और से प्यार कैसे हो सकता है, इतना attracted क्यों हो सकता है, because लेकिन this is the reality, you know. जब आप देखोगे अपने लाइफ में भी, अगर आपसे भी पूछूं तो आप किसी एक से प्यार करते हो, जरूरी नहीं है आप किसी को किसी दूसरे से अट्रैक्टेड नहीं हो सकते, या फिर ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज मेजर रोल प्ले कर देता है वो कैरेक्टर में. It doesn't have a cliche ending or a cliche storyline. It is different and it is adventurous. Yes.
So, Gia, according to you, what's the new thing viewers will see in season two?
So I would say, like Rutpanna said, like किसी दूसरे इंसान से भी तुम attract हो सके. It's like more of infatuation तो अलग चीज है. तुम day to day life में भी you can find someone attractive, but when it comes to this, I feel तुम ऐसी एक सोच के साथ चलते हो कि प्यार तो एक ही बार होता है. You never know. You might just come across with someone, with that person that तुम्हारा शायद ऐसी कोई चीज है. Love is something that you don't plan, first of all. वो हो जाता है. And it's
Right.
very unexpected. कब कहाँ क्या किससे हो जाए. So life is like that. Such is life, I feel.
And
And
a difference in season 2 I would like to mention, sorry to cut you in between, is that Paki is the character जो भास्कर से काफी मिलती जुलती है. अगर वो बैड बॉय है तो ये भी बैड गर्ल है. And the character है कि they are more compatible, unlike Vidhi and Bhaskar who don't have that same compatibility. They have the good chemistry, and on the other side these two guys have more they are more compatible to each other. So ये season
yeah,
2
so
में I
that's
think
the
it's not
thing.
negative.
हाँ, तो वही चीज आई थिंक ऑडियंस को ज्यादा ये अट्रैक्ट करेगी कि so what's going to happen now, like who is he going to choose,
Yeah,
Vidhi या
chemistry
Paki.
or
So that's
compatibility.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So, tell us about your characters also.
Jugadu.
So yeah, like my character has been described, and like I have been describing it. So she is Jugadu, is what everybody has seen in the trailer and in the show. तो वो लाइफ में उसका मेन गोल यही है कि वो कुछ पैसे जमा कर ले फॉर अ रीजन दैट यू विल सी इन द शो। एंड situations के वजह से she is who she is now. So that's what I feel. And also she has had a journey in her life. तो वो एक इमोशंस की भी जर्नी रही है उसकी, तो उसके हिसाब से वो बहुत चेंज हुई है, बहुत ग्रो हुई है एज अ पर्सन, एज एन इंडिविजुअल. आई थिंक शी इज काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु वुड नॉट judge anybody or any situation. She's also that. So I think that is also one of the reasons why Bhaskar gets very surprised when he meets her and जब बात होती है उन दोनों में, तो उसके लिए भी एक सरप्राइज है कि ये लड़की बिल्कुल जज ही नहीं करती किसी को भी. उसके लिए हर एक चीज बस फाइन, इट्स फाइन होता है लाइफ में. नो, सबकी लाइफ परफेक्ट नहीं है. तो जैसे आई थिंक मिश्रा जी की भी लाइन है, ये जो स्ट्रॉबेरी वर्ल्ड में जी रहे हो ना तुम, तो लाइफ वैसी नहीं है. लाइक it is, everybody have their journey and it's okay. We are not perfect, nobody's perfect.
Right.
So yeah.
So am I supposed to talk about my character? Okay.
You can talk about your character graph, like how it has changed in the second season.
Yeah. So I think most of the people, they know about my character, how it was in season 1. It was more like powerful lady who knows what is right and what is wrong, and nobody can dominate her or make her feel a little incompetent or something like that. She has that power in herself. So in this season, they have shown in a way कि she is more frustrated about life because UPSC में नहीं निकल रहा है, and भास्कर की और अलग ही परेशानी चल रही है. माँ पापा शादी के लिए बोल रहे हैं, जो नॉर्मल यूजुअल बनारसी गर्ल का लड़कियों का एक होता है. वो एक जर्नी हर एक बनारसी लड़कियां झेलते आ गई है कि शादी करा देंगे पापा, शिट यार नहीं करना है. तो वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन उसके कैरेक्टर ग्राफ में है. So, like I have 15 or 20 minutes of screen presence in this season, but in this initial phase, she had that thing कि ये मेरा boyfriend है, अभी तक कुछ हुआ नहीं है, ये वो still aura वो अभी तक था. लेकिन the moment she realized about this about Paki, when she gets to know about her presence in Bhaskar's character, Bhaskar's life, तो तब उसके जो कैरेक्टर ग्राफ होता है वो बहुत लो हो जाता है. तब वो रोती है या फिर जो भी है, क्योंकि आई हैड मोस्ट ऑफ माय सीन्स वर इमोशनल, बिकॉज उसका भी तो दिल टूटता है कि हर एक इंसान का एक दिल टूटता ही है, चाहे वो कितना भी पावरफुल हो. तो दैट्स द कैरेक्टर ग्राफ जो सीजन 1 में नहीं देखा था लोगों ने, वो इस बार देख रहे हैं लोग कि एंड कहीं ना कहीं वो लोगों को थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंटिंग भी लगा. कुछ कैरेक्टर्स जैसे हमेशा भास्कर गलतियां करते रहता है, क्यों वो गलतियां कर रहा है, लेकिन दीदी हर बार माफ करती है. इस बार वो ना करे या करेगी क्या नहीं करेगी, दैट इज द क्लाइमेक्स कि कैसे जाती है स्टोरी.
जो भास्कर की सिचुएशन है वो रियल लाइफ में आप लोगों के लिए कितना रिलेटेबल है, या हाउ यू रिलेट विद भास्कर इन रियल लाइफ, लाइक नॉट विद योर कैरेक्टर्स, भास्कर के साथ जो होता है सिचुएशन, वैसा कुछ कितना रिलेटेबल है ये शो के साथ?
आई थिंक इट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल. हमने लाइफ में कभी ना कभी कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी को तो देखा होगा, मे बी अ फ्रेंड, मे बी खुद के साथ हुआ होगा. सो इट्स वेरी रिलेटेबल. इट्स वेरी नॉर्मल कि एक इंसान किसी दो लोगों के बीच में फंस गया हो, या वजह से फंस गया हो, या लाइफ में ये जो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड प्यार में कॉम्प्लिकेशन आना, इसीलिए फेसबुक पे भी तो आ गया रिलेशनशिप स्टेटस इट्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो ये कॉम्प्लिकेशन तो होते ही है, एंड दैट इज द होल जर्नी ऑफ भास्कर. So yeah, that's my take on it.
Okay. तो आप लोगों ने शूट किया ये शो, और कितना मजा आया, और फनी मोमेंट्स कोई बता सकते हैं सेट पे कुछ हुए हो, या प्रैंक्स या समथिंग?
प्रैंक्स यार हो नहीं पाए क्योंकि बहुत ज्यादा काम था और वक्त कम था शूट करने के लिए. मेरे तो फिर भी कुछ सीन से मैं आती थी और क्या ना, इस बार हमने बनारस में ऐसे शूट नहीं किया, वी शॉट इट इन मुंबई ओनली. So people were very busy, and because of corona there were a lot of precautions which were taken. There were a lot of situation where it was created like location ki problem, ye kyunki not like production people, they are actually facing a lot of challenges जो प्रोसेस में होती है. वो सब ज्यादा बहुत एज अ वो स्केड्यूल को थोड़ा ज्यादा चैलेंजिंग बना दिया इस ये पूरे सीजन को। तो थोड़ा वैसे थोड़ा बहुत थक जाते थे एक्टर्स भी, थोड़े ऐसे हो जाते थे कि नहीं अभी तो कंप्लीट करनी ही पड़ेगी, वैसा होता था। तो उस बीच में ना अगर प्रैंक करने जाते ना तो या तो डायरेक्टर से डांट पड़ जाती है, या फिर इस बार कोई प्रैंक नहीं हुआ। आई थिंक जीआई बता पाएगी क्योंकि उसके सीन ज्यादा मिश्रा जी और रोहन के साथ हुए हैं, एंड दे आर द फन पीपल ऑन सेट। उनके साथ आप 5 मिनट भी रहोगे ना, आपको वो बहुत हंसाते हैं। तो ऑन ऐसे भी इनके सीन्स भी इतने कॉमेडी जॉनर के थे, मेरे तो बहुत इमोशनल थे, तो मुझे तो उस हिसाब से मूड पकड़ना था। बट इनके इतने कॉमेडी जॉनर के सीन्स थे कि ये लोग सीन के बीच में मस्ती कर लेते थे। कहीं ना कहीं वो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर हमारे सेट से जाता नहीं है। वी ऑल आर वेरी गुड विद सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर।
So Gia, you are a new member in Virgin Bhaskar family. So how you bonded well with the whole cast and how was it?
I think even though I met Rutpanna first, कि मेरी पहले बात तो रुतपन्ना से ही हुई थी लुक टेस्ट के वक्त एंड ऑल, बट आफ्टर दैट हमें साथ में शूट करने का ज्यादा मौका मिला ही नहीं। आई थिंक वी जस्ट हैड 1 सीन और 2 सीन्स टुगेदर, दैट्स इट। तो हमारी ज्यादा बात हुई नहीं, बट अदरवाइज आई थिंक आई हैड मैक्सिमम सीन्स विद आनंद, तो उससे मेरी बॉन्ड ज्यादा अच्छी हुई थी। उसके बाद मिश्रा जी एंड Himanshu. So I think because of that, it was. But all of these guys were very welcoming. The team was very welcoming towards me, and it was in लोगों की वजह से मेरे लिए बहुत आसान हुआ shoot करना. So it was very nice for me.
Okay.
शुक्र मनाओ
So
तुम्हारे
now
ऊपर प्रैंक नहीं हुआ।
मैं prank
so
करती. I would have been a part of it.
Yeah, sorry.
okay. So now we'll do a fun segment, quick, and you have to quick answer very fast. So first love proposal,
First love proposal?
What? As in what?
like
You have to
क्या
take the
कहते
name
हैं?
of the guy or
yeah, first thing you did, like in yeah,
First proposal when I was in school.
yeah, same here when I was in school.
Yeah,
first kiss.
सबका वही होता है.
First kiss
When I
in
was in
Mumbai,
10th.
I got I was drunk and there was my friend. I kissed him. Said it.
Oh wow.
होता है ना कभी कभी।
मेरा तो I think it happened in
Yeah.
college.
Okay.
Heat of the
First
moment.
heartbreak.
First heartbreak was
Ritpanna का तो अभी
8th
होना है ना
standard.
शायद.
नहीं,
बाकी
8th standard.
हो गया.
It was a one-sided love. Then 8th standard, then 10th standard, then
So
then
that is
in
not the
Mumbai
real
also,
heartbreak.
guys. Yeah, I wasn't in
That is
love
not the
with
real heartbreak.
like crush होता है, पता चले crush की already girlfriend है, तो यार वो तो दिल दुखेगा ही।
वो तो मतलब वो तो है. That's not the real heartbreak. Real heartbreak like कबीर सिंह बन जाना वाला real heartbreak.
Oh.
वैसा
Yeah.
वाला. Like that is the real heartbreak. जैसे अब मेरे साथ हुआ है. I think just it's been 2 years ago. Yeah. A year,
Okay.
2 years ago, 2 years ago. Yeah.
First celebrity crush. What was it?
अरमान
Mine
मलिक,
was
अरमान
Hrithik
मलिक,
Roshan.
अरमान मलिक। शुरुआत से, बचपन से। सोचो वो छोटे से थे हम, सारेगामापा में he used to sing अरमान मलिक प्लीज हिला दो, हर जगह हिला दो अरमान मलिक। He's still my crush.
Gia, for you?
Mine was Hrithik Roshan. वो कौना प्यारे में देखा था, प्यार हो गया था.
Anything? Oh.
First moment of achievement.
First moment.
For me, when I bought my first car.
My first moment of achievement was getting the show Virgin Bhaskar.
Great. First movie which changed your perception.
Inception.
Oh. Yours was what?
Inception.
Your perception.
Oh, that was nice. For me, that is a tough one. I'm sure there are, but I can't remember one like that. Of course, like there are all these women empowering movies that I feel always change, that always give me that one different thing. And yeah, that changed my point of view or something. I'm sure there is, I just can't think of it now.
Okay.
I think हर एक मूवी कुछ ना कुछ सिखाई देती है.
Yeah,
Right.
especially
Yeah.
also I really like Margarita with a straw. So that
Ah,
was very different.
right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First public fight.
Public.
No, when I was in college, yeah. मतलब it was like मैंने किसी को पीट दिया था. It was that because I used to travel from local trains तब college में जाने के लिए, and किसी ने लड़के ने बदतमीजी कर दी. He touched
लगा
me
लिया.
inappropriately. हाँ, तो
Very
ले
good.
लिया, पिट गया.
Very brave.
Very good. Yeah. I've never get into any chaos. I don't get into any chaos. मतलब पता नहीं होता ही नहीं है.
That is one thing मतलब that really pisses me off.
Hmm.
मतलब I don't understand, तुम्हें किसी लड़की के private part को छू के क्या मजा मिलने वाला है? If you do the same
Yeah.
thing to your mother or your sister, it's going to be the same thing. It's just frustrating for me. I cannot bear that shit.
You know, sometimes
Don't
what
do that.
happens is आपके साथ हो जाता है and एक time पे आप you're shocked. Happened to me just right now. But the way you
Yeah.
reacted, like आपने तो लगा दिया होगा.
Mine was instinct. That particular moment, at that
Yeah.
particular moment was so
That is
strong.
very
I was,
brave of you.
yeah, and then I just I just caught his hand, and I I still remember that incident. It was, yeah, I can't. अगर वो मेरे किसी दोस्त के साथ भी होता तो मैं उसके पीछे भाग के उसको पकड़ के पीटती. I can't take that shit. I really hope this thing stops somehow. Anyway.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Last one. First time you felt most special.
Most special. Oh, I
When
felt.
I asked my mom, okay,
No, you say. It's okay.
okay. So it was when I asked my mom, आपकी लाइफ में सबसे happiest day कौन सा रहा है? And she said that it was when I had you. And I think that changed everything for me. That'll always be the moment for me.
Okay. मैं भूल गई मेरा special moment क्या था. Special moment. Sorry, what was the question? Can you repeat again?
Yeah.
First time
special
you
moment.
felt most special.
The very first time.
Yeah.
I think the very first time I felt most special was when I did my first show on stage as a dancer, and when I got a appreciation, and I was 8 years old. और मुझे अभी तक याद है, I was awarded and there were a lot of people who really liked that an 8-year-old has performed in such a beautiful way. So that was the first special moment of my life. मैं वो जो प्राइज है ना, वो मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये मेरा पहला है था, because that was the time I knew that how much connected I'm with arts, you know, with arts and कला के साथ मैं कितनी जुड़ी हूँ और क्या चीज मुझे सबसे ज्यादा खुशी दे सकती है. तो that was the moment. Stage is where I love to be. So yeah.
Great. It was fun. Now, lastly, any message for your fans, for the viewers?
Yeah.
I would say again, thank you so much for all the love and the support that you guys are showing towards the show and towards me, and which I did not actually expect. I was really worried about it, and that is why I'm really, really grateful that you guys loved my character and you guys are loving the show. ऐसे ही support देते रहिएगा, and because that really pushed us to work even harder, and yeah, that keeps us on our toes, and that really, really means a lot. वो एक message भी means a lot. So thanks a lot.
Okay, to the fans, I would like to say that the moment I read the script of season 2, I knew that it's going to be a very different from what you have seen in season 1. So I was really worried whether people would, what if they forget me? What? So how much a fan, uh, the importance of having a fan is so important. The importance in our lives. To lose them is the most, that affects me a lot. मुझे इस बात का डर था कि यार मुझे भूल ना जाए because like I've said कि I have the least screen presence in this season, but so I was really worried away. But the moment I got the response of you all, I realized how impactful my character was and how much you love me. So please be so loyal to the people whom you love, the admirers, the viewers of Virgin Bhaskar, for loving this show and identifying and magnifying each and every emotion of each and every scene. That really matters. कि आपने हमारा art देखा. You didn't judge us. So we are so grateful. We are so thankful. Because for us, like me, Anant, there's no celebrity in the star cast. हम कोई बड़े एक्टर्स नहीं थे. आज हम जितने भी जो भी जैसे भी हैं, आप लोगों की वजह से हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मुझे आज जो कुछ मिला है शायद आप लोग की वजह से मिला है. So thank you so much. Thank you. That's all.
Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you guys.
Thank you so
Same
much.
here. Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
need your
Bye.
done. Bye. Take care.